In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable third-party cookies on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security, and then underneath Privacy and Security over here on the right, select Site Settings. Scrolling down underneath Content, you want to select where it says third-party cookies, and you can select block third-party cookies, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.